Morning thoughts. Sun is shining. The weather is sweet. Oh yeah. The sun is shining, but the weather not sweet, people. It's cold and foreign. It's 40 degrees out here. May I blow smoke out of my mouth. Anyway, not smoke, but you don't know, frost. Anyway, Jamaican people, when they're tired, you see, are people turning into them lawn gardener and them servers at them hotels, right? Then when we come talk to me, keep acting like that's all we grew up inspiring to be in Jamaica. Every one of you that were born in Jamaica, raised in Jamaica somewhat, do you remember ever saying to yourself, when me grow up, me want to be one gardener for somebody. When me grow up, me want to be one server for somebody, go serve them their food. Me want to work in somebody's kitchen. Me not talk top chef, you know. Me talk about line cook and them something there. If this was the full extent of your intentions for yourself when you were growing up, then the tourist industry in Jamaica is your dream come through, okay? I see Andrew Holness say boomsin' boomsin', 100 million or billion, how much money more they're about to put into advertising more for the tourism board or tourism in Jamaica in the Montego Bay area to do some damage control. You know what I'm saying? Because they just had the state of emergency there and them I say it no look too good and the people them look like they might afraid for come after this. Right? So Andrew Holness I say, yo, put some money towards this. He approved it. His cabinet approved it. And I'm thinking, look how quick them shell out that big money there. Look how much road want to fix. Eh? Look how much infrastructures want to fix up in Jamaica to benefit the youths them. I'm only worried about more advertising to tourism. One of my subscribers on SouFLoTV said it best. Look, you don't have to advertise overboard, advertise Jamaica. Jamaica is already known to the world, right? What you need to do is clean up your house. Make your house nice and pretty, and people will come. Make your house nice and pretty and safe, and people will come. You could have spent $1 trillion advertising. If it gets to the point where it's volatile and only place that people can go to enjoy themselves is locked inside of a resort with other Americans and foreigners like themselves, sooner or later that tourist board thing, that tourist industry thing is going to dry up. Because people are going to start to say, yo, when I go to Cuba, I go all over the island, man, and it's safe. I'm out partying late at night. I vacation that, don't. When I go to Costa Rica, when I go to Dominica, when I go to so-and-so, I have so much fun. I'm not locked up in no hotel with a bunch of other foreigners like myself. So right now, they're telling the foreigners about stay in your hotels and only go on excursions if they're well planned by an authorized authority and all this. That's fearful. And it's only so long that's gonna last before the Jamaica Tourist Board start take a big thump to the face. You hear what I'm telling you? Now, I'm here to dispel a couple of things. This video won't be too long. I'm saying that give Renita Adams the position, right? Somebody said, SouFLoTV, you really feel Renita Adams can clean up crime and stop crime in 6 months? Dodo. I never said that. I've always maintained that every society has crime and violence, including Jamaica. We can deal with that. If we know I rob people's house, draw away people bag, pop away all man bag, and them thing there, even if we do that, thief people's cell phone without kill them, we could deal with that. It's the rate of which you guys are murdering each other in Jamaica. That's the problem, right? When you get 1,616 people murdered and over 3,000 people pick up gunshot in a 12-month period, you can't do maths. That's where the issue is. And there is where I believe that Renita Adams will make a difference. Now, I see enough tough chat on social media talk about, oh, that man, they're all already in for come out. The youth, them nowadays now playing no game, them violent, them vicious, yeah? Okay? Put Renita Adams in there and say, I would love to be a part of his tactical movement. You know what I'm saying? I would love to be a part of his tactical movement because he was definitely right when he said the criminals need to have something to fear because right now, them not fear nobody. But Skip past that now. Let's talk about this now. Let's talk about who gains wealth from the tourist industry. The tourist industry in Jamaica don't benefit Jamaica per se. It benefits foreigners that are heavily invested in the tourist industry in Jamaica. You motherfuckers that work, pardon my language, you people that work in the tourist industry, my brothers and my sisters, you are worker bees, right? I mean, no, you're glad for the little employment because your things starve off already, where there aren't much opportunities for employment, gainful employment, so anything come is good. So you latch on to the little tourist board thing and you feed into the whole, yo, I'm a job this, you know, and so me pay the bills. We understand that. We understand that. It'll put food on the table and make you can go to one party and feel good by yourself. Because you can buy the bar, well, you not buy the bar work, that's all. But you can spend $2 on yourself and buy some clothes and shoes and food on the table and rare. It makes you feel good, yeah? But check it. The real deal about that whole tourist industry thing, that's not how Jamaica really get rich. Listen to me now. Jamaica get rich when Jamaicans at home and abroad stop freak themselves with criminals and criminal entities that they know are making the place look the way it look right now. Because believe me when I tell you, there are millions of people overseas, millions, including thousands and thousands of Jamaicans that want to come back to Jamaica and heavily invest in Jamaica for the long term, to live out their lives there. Make it a retirement destination. But they're afraid to do it. When these people, this group of people I'm talking about, is able to come back into the country, feel safe, set up business, not suffer extortion and murder, set up businesses, provide jobs for their communities and the people around them, you know what I'm saying? Then we will start to see wealth in Jamaica. Then we won't have to say, yo, big up the Matalan family. Then we can say, yeah, man, the Smith them own over this side, you know. Yeah, the Jones them own this side, you know. And the McFinney them own this side, you know. And the Thompson them own this side, you know. And the James them own this side, you know. And the Magati them own this side, you know. And the, you know what I say? You will see wealth. Instead of, I Miss Chin own this side, you know. I Miss Chin them own this side, you know. I Miss Ali own this side, you know. And the man from England own that side, you know. And the Spanish man own over that side, you know. Like, that's when you will start to see wealth. Alright? So, please understand the urgency that we're expressing to clean up the place. We need it and we need it now. We need it and we need it now, now. Alright? SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. I'm heading inside to go get my bread for the day. Big up on yourself, be progressive and productive, yeah? Jamaicans at home, Jamaicans worldwide, and our family and friends worldwide, globally. Peace.